This is the work of a skunk.
It's a pungent problem. Once a pristine lawn, now left in shreds. These holes are from the nose of a skunk, sniffing out its next meal, looking for grubs.
So let's say Canadians are looking at their backyard. It looks like this. Is it damaged forever? Can you fix it?
I mean, the good news is it's early spring. There's still an opportunity to fix and repair this. I think raking the area out, roughing up that soil and getting some seed down would be great. Look at it as a little bit of free aeration.
So you get the grass seed down, but did you get rid of the skunk? You guys could be sharing an address and you didn't even realize it.
Yeah, a hole like this in the lattice is a pretty good indicator that there's a skunk underneath this deck. And if you have a look more closely, you can see some fur, which indicates there's definitely wildlife coming and going from below this deck.
Your next step would be to get rid of the skunk and seal the deck. However, if the food source is still booming under your grass, they may pay a few more visits.
The one thing that you could do is look at lawn treatments to try to reduce the number of insects you've got in your lawn. The other thing that some people will use is, you can set up a motion sensored sprinkler that when the skunk comes out, it gets a blast of water. That might encourage it to move on, although, depending on the size of the lawn and where they might be digging, it can be a little bit impractical.
Not only are skunks hungry right now, they're also looking for locations to have their babies. So tidy up the yard, seal up that deck, and that should reduce the risk of the next problem.